Hey guys, it's Micah here, back with another video. So as you guys know, those other videos were older, but this video will be like a vlog or something like that, I guess. Yeah. So I guess I could give you a house tour. I mean, there's a thing. My bedroom. This is my brother's. It's gonna be his room. I'm gonna change the color though. Yeah, my cat. There's our yard, our backyard. We've got the Greek. My sister's making noises in there. It's our bathroom. Downstairs. So yeah, I'm just gonna have top floor tour, which was this one. I'm gonna have bottom, middle floor tour, and we'll have a basement, downstairs tour. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.